I'd like to welcome you to my latest video today, where I'm going to be looking at this floor cleaning product right here that we've got in front of us. This is something that I've just recently bought, and I've been looking for something for a while to clean the hard floors in my house. As you can see, I've got hard flooring in this room and I have it throughout most of my house, and I've even got some usefully prepared dust on the floor in order to demonstrate this product today. So I hope that this video will be useful. As with other videos of mine that you may have seen, I do like to showcase these products simply because I've bought this online, and for other people who might be interested in buying something like this online, I always find that it's useful to sometimes look at videos of the product in order to get a better understanding of what the features are of the product. And I feel that that's helpful because it gives us a little bit more information and can help us to understand what the product is like and whether the product's suitable for us and for our needs, in a way that the pictures on a product listing and the description may not necessarily tell us. So I'll go over this product and its features and describe a little bit more about it, and if anyone is interested in buying it, I will aim to provide a link in the description so that if anyone wants to buy it, they can go ahead and do that there. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and please also take a look at my other videos. They may be of interest to you as well, and any positive comments are always welcome, and I really appreciate everyone watching this and my other videos as well. So I'll go over this product now and we'll just get into it, and hopefully this will be of help to anyone watching. So the head here, the business end if you will, is pretty simple and straightforward. You've got a plastic frame inside what is a microfibre cover. Now, I'm not sure if this is machine washable, but I'm going to put it in the washing machine when it gets dirty. You can get replacements for this, so I'll go over that later on in the video. But what I wanted to start out with was to let people see just the size of the cleaning head. So it's around 40 centimetres long, or 16 inches. Well, it's 15 3/4 inches approximately in length. And then width-wise, we're looking at the actual head is approximately 4 inches wide. Sorry, 3 3/4 inches wide. 3.5 inches wide, to be honest and accurate. 3.5 inches wide, or 9 centimetres. So the centre of it, this where the shaft of the broom connects to the head has dual direction functionality, so it spins that way and it also spins this way as well, and it has this this clicking fixing function, if you will, to allow it to kind of lock into place, which I guess may be useful when using it. But this this double function that it has is really useful, or I believe it will be useful when I start using this product. And what I like about it as well is that it lies so flat to the actual head of the body of the mop head or broom head, brush head. I'm not quite sure how we're going to classify this, but what I like, as you can see there, is the low profile function of it, which I think is really useful because it should allow us to clean dust from underneath low furniture. As you'll see here, I have a settee, couch, sofa, whatever your preferential term is for it, and I think that this will be useful for cleaning underneath it. So that's the pivoting head part of it, which connects to the broom handle, stick, whatever we're going to call it. And it has this microfiber, this soft microfiber head on it, which I think is fantastic because it's really soft, so it's not going to damage your floor. And as I say, I'm presuming that it's machine washable. I'm certainly going to wash it in the machine because replacements are available. I should be able to provide a link for that as well in the description. So I also wanted to say that this microfiber, a lot of people are going to know this already, but I'm just going to mention it for those who don't. Microfiber has almost a static quality insofar as it's really great at attracting dust and grabbing dust and holding it. So from that point of view, the fact that this is a microfiber material, I really like that fact, because it is really, it's great at grabbing and holding dust. And as I say, I'm going to be putting this in the machine to wash it. So we can see on the back here that it's held by these pockets that slot onto the end of the head at either side. And that's released with this little mechanism here, which is simply opened by pushing on this side, which then releases this plastic part here, and then the whole head, as you can see here, just hinges open. So that releases the tension on the cover, which then allows it to be slid off, and it basically just comes off like that. Okay, so we've got it obviously hinged here like this, and to close it again, it's just this part here where that just, if we put a little bit of pressure on there, and it just clicks and slots into place. If we just going to give that, there we go, and it's held firm again, held tight for when we want to put it back up, put the head back on. Now the other thing that I'll point out here is that it's quite nice that someone's had the presence of mind to incorporate these little cinch pieces at either end. Now they're really useful for times when you maybe want to put a different type of wiping head onto this, and it allows it to be wrapped round and then just cinched in here. Now I know with another cleaning head like this one that I'm talking about today, that I have in the past wrapped a wet based wipe round the head like this, and then cinched the ends of it in here to hold it tight on the head as I'm wiping it on the floor. So it's just a nice little feature that they've incorporated there. It's a great idea, and it's just another added useful feature. So I'm going to pop the head back on here, just to get it back in place. Now, as I say, it's as simple as sliding that in there, and then taking the other end and bring it in there. So we've got both ends in, and then all you do is just fold the head like this, apply maybe a little bit of pressure on this end of this piece here, and then just getting that locked into place there. So that's the head and how it's opened and closed. Then the arm, which is extendable as well. So when it's not extended, we're looking at a length of approximately 24 3/4 inches or 63 centimetres. And then in its fully extended form, it's going to be all. I'm not going to be able to get this in shot, so I apologise for that. But the total length when it's extended is approximately 44 inches or 112 centimetres. So that's just to give you an idea of the length when the broom is fully extended, broom handle. So what I wanted to show you here is once it's extended, it may be difficult to show you which way this is going, but it basically you just twist the two parts in opposite directions. So with my left hand I'm turning anti-clockwise, and with my right hand I'm turning clockwise. And as we do that, it tightens this connector in here, and that's tight now, and it won't close, it won't collapse. And then once we want to connect it in the end here, it's simply a case of just taking these two threaded connections and just turning them clockwise into this connection, and that in turn gives us a nice tight connection inside the head. So I'm just going to go ahead here and just give a little demonstration just to show it collecting some dust on the floor, and as you can see it's just picking that up fantastically. Exactly why I wanted to buy this product, was because I wanted something that would allow me to quickly, just when the floors become a little bit dusty and we can feel, that almost not sandy, but like a really fine just dust on the floor, and we can feel that underfoot, and we want something that will just quickly pick that up without maybe having to bother with getting vacuum cleaner out. And I think that this particular product's gonna fit the bill really fantastically. It does obviously gather at the front edge of that there, so you can go over again and pick up any loose stuff. And as I said before, it's pretty grabby. We could see all the dust that's picked up there. So it just it gives us a quick, easy way to pick up dust from the floor. And that is as simple as the product is. And I hope that this has been useful, this video, for everyone watching. And as I said, I will look to provide a link in the description for purchasing this if you are interested. Now, the other thing I was going to mention is that these heads are available for purchase. Now, I have bought one in a local store. I'm in the UK, and it's a national chain, the shop where I bought it. So they're available, and they're not expensive. And the whole broom wasn't particularly expensive either. So I hope this has been useful for everyone. Thank you for watching and taking the time to watch this video today. And I'd appreciate everyone who would like the video, and also if you would like to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate everyone who does both of those things. And thank you again for watching.